Hey, how's it going? My name is Tyler Garns, and I am the founder and CEO at Box Out Marketing. And I'm really humbled and excited about the opportunity to share with you some of the amazing things that we've done with Memberium. We've been building membership sites and doing Infusionsoft implementation and marketing strategy for years. I actually started at Infusionsoft in 2007, so I've been at this a long time. And started Box Out Marketing as an agency in 2014. And since then, we have built over 100 sites using Memberium, 100 membership sites. And we've been asked to do a lot of different things, lots of creative different things. And so we've come up with a bunch of different things that I think are really fun to show off. And I don't want to bore you with all the details, but I'm going to show you a few things. And I'm going to start with our own membership site, which I think we put some creative thought into and done some really fun things with Memberium that hopefully will give you some ideas about what you can do with your membership site as well. So let's switch over there and I'll show you around a little bit. So this is Infusionsoft SuccessLab. This is our membership site where we teach Infusionsoft users Infusionsoft in extreme detail. We have amazing courses that dive in deep on everything Infusionsoft. But when someone signs up for our SuccessLab membership, after they go to the order form and they submit their payment, the very next page, the thank you page, as you will, is not a standard thank you page. It actually automatically logs them into the SuccessLab membership site and forces them through some onboarding steps. Now, this is really, really important because tools like Memberium can create an automated password, a random password, and email it to the person. But sometimes people don't get the email and that creates problems and things like that. So the very first step that we put them through is, hey, welcome, let's set up your password. And so they can put in a password that they want here. I'll go ahead and just make one up. And the next step number 2 in our process, is to do a little bit of a survey, right? So we want to collect some information about every member who comes in the door. So what's your role? Well, I am the CEO. What are you most interested in learning? I really want to learn the campaign builder. How many employees do you have? We currently have 9. What is your business type? We sell through a sales team, right? So this bit of information gives us a lot of important data about our customers so that we can segment them and promote various different products and support them in different ways based on who they are, okay? Next up, and really all this is, the first step, just to be clear, the first step where they set their password was what do you call it? It's a Memberium shortcode. Okay, a Memberium shortcode for setting passwords. So you just drop that little shortcode in there and you're set to go. The next step, which was to go through the survey, that was an Infusionsoft web form. Okay, that was an Infusionsoft web form where we have used a Memberium shortcode to fill in the email address in a hidden field. All right. Next here we have choose your subscription level. Okay, our members, when they come in, they start with a trial, and what they can do is choose the level that they want to get billed at, or they can say, I'll choose later. Okay, now each of those buttons will run an action set, which will start a campaign. Actually, I'm not sure if it's an action set. It's actually a tag. It'll apply a tag that will trigger a goal in a campaign, and then wait a certain amount of time in their trial, and then start the billing if they choose one of those buttons. Next thing is, as a member in our membership site, we want them to join our Facebook group. That's one of the privileges that they get. So if they click this button, join our Facebook group, that'll open up in a new tab so they can go request to join our private Facebook group. Here we have them give us their Facebook name or their Facebook URL so that we can match that up and make sure that people who are requesting in our Facebook group are actually people who are members. Okay, then they hit next step, and it takes them to the next step in our onboarding process, step 5, which is to add team members. Now, this particular membership that I just set up for testing doesn't have any additional members, but again, this is a Memberium feature called the umbrella accounts, where you can have additional accounts or sub-accounts underneath your account, okay? So we'll hit next step, and that's because I went through this as a trial. You don't have an opportunity to add team members yet. Here we have a little orientation video. Now this video will walk them through the membership site, the upgrading, downgrading process, give them a little orientation on the membership site and all that kind of stuff, okay? And then the final step, we get right here. And again, there's a little welcome video from me talking through the membership site with them and explaining a few things. So once they hit let's get started, at this point, now it will open up full access to the membership site for the members. So let me just walk you around a little bit in our membership site. The main thing is the courses. So the training that we do inside here is all done with our courses. This is handled with LearnDash. LearnDash is another WordPress plugin where we build our courses and everything is all accessible there. Now you'll see that some of these are locked. Now all of our courses are locked until they complete the introductory course. Now that's just a little customization that we made, basically because we know that once they complete the introduction course, they'll have the foundation to then understand all of the details of the other courses. They have to complete that course first, and that's one of the things that's explained in the intro video. We also have partner courses. So essentially these are links to affiliate offers, but our partners have provided some amazing content. So plus this and fix your funnel and ready to go copy. They've all got some great content. We're putting more and more in here all the time that is great training for our members, but then they lead to an offer to buy one of their things. So that way we can monetize our membership site a little bit better. All right, we have bonus courses. So sometimes when someone purchases, they will purchase and get bonuses along with their purchase. In this case, I just opted in as a trial member, and so I don't have any bonus courses. Then there are free courses available to everybody. And these are our 12 hacks of Christmas for Infusionsoft that we've done for the last 5 years. The crystal ball system, how to shoot great video on a budget, lots of different content that we have there. So we've also gamified this entire process. And so when I complete a course, I'm going to log out here and log in as a member who's actually done some stuff. So when I complete a course or when I do various different things, I can get badges. And also we've set up LearnDash so that it will issue certificates. So if I go back to my courses here, you'll see that I've completed a couple of these. I've completed the Introduction to Infusionsoft SuccessLab. I've completed the Sales Pipeline Mastery course. And so what we'll do is we'll go here on the main menu and go to My Badges and Certificates. Now these things pop up right when it happens, but if you didn't happen to catch it, you can always come here later and see your badges. So I have a Sales Pipeline Mastery certified badge. I have the Introduction to Infusionsoft SuccessLab completed badge and the Infusionsoft SuccessLab member badge. Okay. Now, I've got a couple of pages of courses here, so I'm going to skip over to the next page. You can see here that I've got this course has been completed. Down here, Sales Pipeline Mastery has been completed as well. And if I click on that, actually that takes us right to it. If I click on the arrow over here, then it shows how many times I've taken the test. I took it twice and I got 100% each time. Yay me. But if I click on the certificate, it'll open up in a new window the actual certificate for that person that they can print out and have for their records. Okay, so those are some kind of cool things. Over here you can see my team. So again, this is using the umbrella feature. So I invite all of our team members, our employees, to have access to SuccessLab. That's actually a requirement for our employees here at BoxOut, is that they have to go through the SuccessLab courses and they have to pass them all and become certified. Okay, so I can manage our team here easily through that Memberium shortcode. Invoices and credit cards, all that kind of stuff is here as well. Changing your password and email. These are all standard Memberium features. Manage your membership level. This is where people can upgrade and downgrade their membership. Okay, so this shows that I'm an insider level. I can downgrade to pro or to basic or cancel right here. All that's manageable in here. Again, most of this is pretty standard Memberium features. Now here's another thing for our pro and insider members is we have a bunch of pre-built campaigns that we offer to our members. So if they go to request campaigns, they can see the list of campaigns here. They can tell us which app they want us to import those campaigns into. They can check the boxes and say I want this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then hit submit, and that will create a task for one of our team members to go ahead and import those campaigns or publish those campaigns into their Infusionsoft account. So it saves them a lot of time and energy so they don't have to go recreate the wheel, especially when we have built these campaigns and proven them to be successful with our private clients. Okay. And then we also have campaign training. So all of those same campaigns, we have video training for each of them here that they can watch so they can understand how the campaign works, how they can customize it, and things like that. Okay. All right, let me show you one other thing. You'll notice, if you haven't seen it yet, this little icon here, it's a notifications icon. Looks like the same icon that's on your iPhone or whatever. If you click that, that's where we can offer notifications to our members. So we built a kind of a custom, this is more of a custom feature, but we built a custom notification engine so that we can push notifications into our members' membership site, right? And so one of the things that we offer to our insider members is these monthly campaign in a day workshops where we start from scratch and we build live an entire campaign while our members follow along and do it with us. So this coming month in April, we're building a referral campaign. We call it the referral machine. If you want to join us, all the member has to do is just click here to register, and they're automatically registered. They'll get reminders and things like that. A non-member would have to go purchase that product for $97. Another thing we do is we offer our members an opportunity to give us a review on the marketplace, right? And once they do this, then this notification goes away, or they can hit delete and make that notification go away as well, okay? We also built some more gamification, so when people log in every day, they'll start a streak, and it will show them here. It'll notify them. Another little notification will pop up and say, hey, you're on a streak. And it'll say, hey, you've been logged in every day for 7 days. Don't lose your streak. And when they have that streak, there's another link to a leaderboard where they can see where they are on the leaderboard compared to other members. So that's really fun as well. So those are just a few things in our membership site. I'll mention another project that we did a little while back for a client of ours, which was howtophotographyyourlife.com. They have courses on photography. And one of the things they wanted to do was be able to offer gift certificates. And as you know, there's not a great way in Infusionsoft to offer gift certificates. And so we created a really slick way to offer a gift certificate inside of a membership site, and we set that up for them. And it's really not that complicated. It uses some Infusionsoft web forms and tags and things like that, and it is great. So I'll provide a link that the Memberium folks can share with you to a separate video where you can watch that, a little demo on that if you're interested. I'll also provide a link to another video that we created that's on our YouTube channel that just shows a few other features in membership sites that we've created, just because I don't want to go into all of the extra little details here. But if you've liked what you've seen here and you're interested in seeing what are the other possibilities, we'll provide a link to that as well. And then the last thing I want to mention is that if you are an Infusionsoft user and if you are a Memberium user or considering using Memberium, you have got to be at SuccessCon. Okay, so for years, Infusionsoft held an annual user conference called InfusionCon and then ICON, and that ran for a few years, and it was amazing. But 2 years ago, Infusionsoft announced that they would no longer be holding an annual user conference. So that's where SuccessCon was born. And SuccessCon is a gathering of the Infusionsoft community. Last year there were about 300 people there. This year we're expecting 500 to 600 people. All you have to do is go to attendsuccesscon.com, or I'm sure Memberium will provide a link next to this video where you can click and go and learn more about the event and register for your ticket. We're only 47 days away as of the recording of this video right now. I'm sure the Memberium folks might be able to offer you a promo code as well to save a few bucks. But this will be a 3-day conference where we're going to dive deep into what's working. You'll see there are speakers here from all over the world, experts from all over the world on Infusionsoft and marketing and various different things. And this is more of a dig in, look under the hood and see exactly how the funnels are built and what people are doing to create amazing results in your business. It's not theory. It's not just marketing ideas. This is really how you make it happen type of stuff. So we've got some phenomenal speakers this year. I'd run through the whole agenda here with you, but I'm not going to bore you too much. We've got CEO of Infusionsoft, or CEO of Keep, Clayton Mass coming, Susan Sly, phenomenal speaker, Eric Geibel from Google. Google's going to come and share some amazing things that are happening there that affect small businesses. We've also got the next day, Six Division presenting, Marcus Murphy from Digital Marketer, Jeff Mast, Lisa Sasevich, the Queen of Sales Conversion. Some amazing stuff happening at this event. The next one, we've got Todd Brown. If you're familiar with him, he's absolutely phenomenal. Sean Buck from the Newsletter Pro. Some amazing speakers. And then at the end, we've got these Get Her Done workshops that are happening. So instead of going and getting the fire hose of information and then going home and forgetting it all, we've got these workshops at the end where you can join for 4 hours and actually get stuff done. So Micah from Memberium is actually going to be running one of these workshops on membership sites from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Friday afternoon. So you'll be able to sit down with experts and learn how to make this stuff happen in your business. So anyways, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this was helpful and instructive and gave you some ideas about some things that you can do with your Memberium membership site. If you have any questions or need any help whatsoever, feel free to reach out to us at boxoutmarketing.com. We'd be happy to help you. Oftentimes we help people if they have little questions here and there for free, no problem. If you'd like us to do it for you, we offer those services as well, and we'd be happy to chat with you. All right, thanks everybody. Again, Tyler Garns from Box Out Marketing, and we'll talk to you soon.